Okay, everybody, this should be my first video. Hopefully, this will go off without a hitch, but I'm not promising anything. This is new software I'm using, so hopefully it'll make sense when you guys watch it at home. But anyway, today we're going to be talking in this video about markups. Now, a markup is taking how much you paid for something and increasing the value. That way, you can make a profit off of it. So, for example, uh, if the cost of the car is $54,000 and you want to mark it up 25% so you can make some money off of it if you go to sell it, it's really easy to figure out the calculation. First thing you want to do is take 25% and convert it into a decimal by dividing it by 100. So that'll come out to be 0.25. Okay, so you're going to take 0.25 and you're going to times it by 54,000. You can use a calculator for that. I've already put that in mine right there. I have 54,000 times 0.25. I apologize, it's a little blurry, but you should be able to make it out that it's 13,500. Let's see if it comes back into focus. So $13,500 is your markup value. Now, the directions say to find the selling price. So we're going to take this value and add it to our original cost. So we take 54,000 and we're going to add 13,500 to it. You can use a calculator for this if you want to. I don't really care. But you should have 67,500 for your selling price of the car. Okay? So you guys pause the video and try to figure out the cost of the Parrot. That costs $310 and I'm marking it up 50%. Pause the video and I will work the problem out with you in a moment. Okay, so what we're going to do here is first we're going to take 50% and divide it by 100. It's going to come out to be 0.5. You take 0.5 and you times it by 310. 0.5 in the calculator times 310 is 155. So that is just how much we marked it up. We didn't figure out how much it's going to cost. We don't want to sell the Parrot for that much because we're going to lose money on it. So we have to add it to how much we paid for it. So we're going to add 310 to the 155 that we just calculated, and we should be selling this Parrot for $465. Okay? A discount is very similar to a markup, except we're going in the other direction. Instead of adding it to our value, we're going to take it off. So these are like our sale items when you go to the store and they're running sales. So we want to figure out, let's see, they give us the original price of the bicycle is $490.50, and they say we can knock off 43% of it. So first, we take 43%, divide it by 100, 0.43. Now we're going to times that by the $499.50. And again, use a calculator for that point. 0.43 times 499.5. We get a discount, we'll round to the nearest penny, of $214.79. Now, we don't want to add that to the value. We want that taken off of that, of the $499.50. So think about it. Like if you go to the store and you're about to spend $500 and say, well, it's 43% off. If you went up and you paid $700, hopefully you would say, no, I'm getting overpriced here and you're overcharging me. So we're going to subtract it in this case. So we're going to take the original price and we're going to subtract that value from it. So we're going to say 499.5 minus 214.79, and our new price should be $284.71. So if we went up before tax got included, that's what the bike would cost before we paid for it, essentially, before they added tax to it. You guys figure out the price of the oil change, pause the video, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're going to 40% discount, so we're going to take 40, divide it by 100. It's going to give us 0.4. We're going to times that by 37. So we're going to say 0.4 times 37. Sorry, 0.4 times 37 in the calculator is $14.80. Again, that's the discount. That means they're taking that off of this price. So we're going to take 37 and subtract it from that. So 37 minus 14.8, we get $22.20. It's really easy once you get the hang of it. The confusing part is when do you add and when do you subtract. When it's a markup, you're going to add. When it's a discount, you're going to subtract. Okay, so hopefully that'll help, and if not, feel free to come in with more questions, but there's a couple examples for you.